رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Sami Al Quran online classes. Inshallah, in today's class we will start Noorani Qaida second lesson, which name is Murakkabat, compound letters, like joining letters. If you want to read Quran online at home with live classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran tutors, visit now samialquran.com and register for 3 days free trial classes. So in this lesson, we will learn two or more letters combined joining together to form a murakkab compound. Pronounce each of the murakkab letters separately like mufradat letters. Make sure in this lesson also to pronounce the letters in the established manner with the Arabic accent. When two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shape gets changed a little. Usually, the head of the letter is written and body is omitted. Identify the letters which are the same when in the compound formed by the difference in the number and position of the dot. So I will read first and you should practice after me and keep practicing. Let's start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first letter is Alif. Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif. So the purple one is Lam and the black one is Alif. So the Lam is rounded with the left side. So we say Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif. So here again the black one is Lam and the purple one is Alif. So the Lam shape rounded with the left side. So we say Lam, Alif. Please repeat after me. Lam, Alif. Ba, Alif. Ba, Alif. And here is the purple one is Ba. There is one dot in the bottom and their Ba has half shape. So the first is Ba. Ba, Alif. Lam, Alif. Lam, Alif. Please repeat after me. Lam, Alif. Lam, 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 Alif, Lam, Alif. And here is again the purple one is Lam and the black one is Alif. So read carefully. Lam, Alif, Lam, Ha, Lam, Ha. And here the black one is Lam. Please repeat after me. Lam, Ha, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif. Ba, Lam, Ba. Ba, Lam, Ba. And here the first one is Ba, which has one dot and they have half shape. So the first is Ba and the middle one is Lam, the black one is Lam and the last one is also Ba. So repeat after me again. Ba, Lam, Ba. Next. Kaf, Kaf. And here you see this shape. So this shape is the kaf. 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 And here you see again the kaf shape. Kaf. Kaf. Ba. Look here, the purple one is again kaf that has this shape. So read kaf ba. Kaf ba. Kaf ba. And here is again the kaf small shape here. Kaf ba. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Ba kaf ta. Ba kaf ta. Ta kaf fa. Ta kaf fa. Ba ta fa. Noon. And here you remember ba has one dot in the bottom, ta has two dots on the top, and fa has three dots on the top, and noon has one dot on the top, and ya has two dots in the bottom. So please read carefully the dots of the letters. Next, ya. Ba alif. Ba alif. Noon alif. Noon alif. Ta alif. Ta alif. Ya alif. Ya alif. Fa alif. Fa alif. Basid. Basid. Yasin. Yasin. Nun sin. Nun sin. Tasin. Tasin. Fasin. Fasin. And here fa and sin sound should be separate because fa is soft letter and sin we read with the whistle sound. So read properly. Fasin. Fajim. Fajim. And here we have three letters in same shape like jim, ha, and kha. But we have difference with the dots. Like jim has one dot in the middle, ha is without dot, and kha has one dot on the top. So please read carefully. So again this one. Fajim. Fajim. Taha. Taha. Nun kha. Nun kha. I hope you understand the lesson number 2 properly. If you have any kind of question in this lesson, please drop your message in comment box and inshallah I will give you reply soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes, and don't forget to click on bell icon for all new videos. So inshallah we'll meet in next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.